Hi, welcome to another Daniel and John video. Today we're doing the STANLEY FATMAX tape measure with a reach of 4.9 metres. High visibility it says. That's what it means, high visibility. That is high visibility, it's like that luminous green. It says 10 centimetre blade retractor there, that's that, so it's quite good. Extra large hook, that's good. Do you know what's even better on this? The extra large numbers. That makes a big difference. Nicely packaged. Feels real heavy. Nice chrome finish. Rubberized, so if you drop it, it's not going to get damaged. It's quite stylish. So let's get it out of the packet if we can. Be the most difficult bit. And there we go. That's it. Right, it wasn't too bad. So what have we got? Nice, heavy, like I say, nice bit of chrome.
It's got like a protective thing here. Protective thing
film, yeah. It's quite nice. It's real good. I like the extra large hooks, things like this. That's what the advantage with that. See how you can't miss those measurements. Normally you get a smaller tape measure, it's quite difficult to read sometimes. How well does it lock off? So it must have a lock. Yeah, that's good. How easy does it release? Real good.
Nice and smooth.
Very, very smooth. Very. You hear that? Real nice.
Smooth action, yeah.
Probably the smoothest tape measure I've used. It's got a belt clip to clip on.
Black metal.
Yeah, so it looks
pretty decent.
On your pocket if you want. If you're going to put one of these on your pocket, make sure you've got belt or braces on because it will pull them down. When I say it's heavy, there's some weight to it. You couldn't lose it, and you wouldn't want to lose this. Yeah, nice and easy to hold. You can see that. So can't say too much more about it apart from it's 8 metres, 26 foot. It's saying
you can get them in different lengths as well.
Yeah, good quality tool. It's obviously worth buying. Posi drive in there. The only thing I always think that tape measure manufacturers that have never done, there's never been anywhere to scribble your name on, but I suppose you could put it on the back there in a marker pen, but do you know what I mean? So it's quite visible who it belongs to.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's got to be.
Right guys, so if you are thinking about buying this one, or well, if you're thinking about buying the FATMAX, STANLEY FATMAX, they're doing different sizes. Hopefully our video is helpful just to show you what the quality is like and the action stuff.
Got to be 10 out of 10 for that.
Thanks for watching.